Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your PokeFi device. First, identify the type of issue you're experiencing. A simple restart or soft reset can often resolve minor glitches without losing your settings. However, for more persistent problems or to clear all data, a factory reset might be necessary. We'll cover both methods in detail, ensuring you can get your device working optimally again. Performing a soft reset is the easiest first step for troubleshooting. To do this, simply press and hold the power button until your PokeFi device completely shuts down. Once it's off, wait for about 30 seconds. This allows the device to clear its temporary memory. After the wait, press the power button again to turn it back on. This often fixes small glitches without affecting your saved settings. For more stubborn issues, a factory reset is the solution. This will erase all custom settings and data, returning your PokeFi to its out-of-the-box state. Find the tiny reset button, often inside a small pinhole, usually near the charging port. Use a straightened paperclip or a SIM ejector tool to press and hold this button for about 10 seconds until the device restarts. After a factory reset, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and re-enter any custom settings. It's also a good idea to check for firmware updates to ensure your PokeFi device has the latest features and security patches. Keeping your device updated helps maintain optimal performance and reliability. And hey, while you're optimizing, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.